Hello everyone, it's Sam here, and today I'm gonna show you guys a new limited edition knife from Swiss Army Victorinox called Pepita. It's a weird kind of name, but it's limited and has a unique design. Let's check it out together and let me know what you guys think. Alright, here it is, the case itself. A standard leather case, black leather case with a red interior. This model is called Pepita. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. Alright, let's check it out and show it to you guys. Look at it. Got the black and white exterior, polished design, Victorinox logo. Alright, let's see the contents. Swiss Army knife. We got the nail file, screwdriver, pair of sharp scissors, toothpick, tweezers, and that's about it. Look at the design, check it out. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Guys, just subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment, it's optional. Giving me a thumbs up, that would be great. You guys take care.